Would you like an inspection?
Is that your clutch?
Yep.
Holy shit. That thing smoked.
Yep.
Focus it on.
Cooked. That looks alright. What do you mean?
16, 18. Where's the... oh, there.
I need extension. Longer extension?
Yep.
You keep having shit extensions. I hate you.
I mean, not everybody can have an extension set as cool as mine.
Can you get the deep socket and the wobble extension? Yeah. Yeah, we're talking.
Did you want to get it underneath the jack now or not?
No.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
How do you do it? With the jack?
jack? I do it on my own.
Yeah, you're a wild, wild man.
I don't
I
know.
do it on my own.
3,
1.
2, 1.
Can you be my torch, man?
I can be a torch, man.
That didn't help at all.
Alright, go down. Go down.
Bring it forward.
I'm tired.
Why didn't you just use the jack?
Because where's the fun in that? I like pain.
Have you seen this situation? Yeah.
I can't see it.
There we go. So, you guys come in much?
Okay. Feeling clutch pedal. Ready? Good? That's sick. It's light. That's good. That is stock WRX. Feel it.
Well, that does feel pretty good.
Stock WRX?
Wow.
Okay, UniClutch. What does my clutch feel like?
Woo!
Why is it so like loose?
Light, hey.
Yeah. My old one was like 11-2 times heavier than this. This is sick. This is gonna be like the easiest clutch kick. Just wabba 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 wabba. Whee!